Hello everyone, this is an analysis of the US dollar, starting it off on the daily time frame and then dropping down lower as we go. So the main thing that happened, I believe, since the last video that I'd put out to the public is that we resisted to break out of this descending wedge pattern here that we were creating and broke below the 94 level all the way down to approximately 93.32, 93.30, somewhere in that area, right near this 50 period moving average, and immediately the bulls came back in. So I'm going to go ahead and just maintain the same outlook that I've been having, which is near term, still looking for that upward swing. Near term, longer term, that is the longer term move is to head to around 96, 96.30, and then a resumption of the trend further lower underneath of these lows. So that's obviously out further out in the future. So let's talk about what's going to be happening over the next few days. So 30-minute time frame here, we can see we have an inverted head and shoulders pattern. We are back above the 50 period moving average and also holding above my moving averages here. And what I'm looking for essentially is a little bit of consolidation here and then a break up higher. So break up higher, and taking the distance of this neckline, that would put us roughly around 94.10 to 94.17 or so, and then which point we'll retreat back to about 94 and then look for another push up higher to get back above the 200 period moving average as well as this downtrend line. So jumping out a little bit to the hourly time frame, you can see where we'll be having a little bit of resistance near that 94 level, and at which point, as I mentioned earlier, we'll see, a break up higher, consolidation, and then another push attempt back into the 94. So we have to see how this is all going to play out. Are we just going to, take a nice jolt upwards? We'll have to see, but I think that it's going to take a little bit of effort, a little bit of consolidation, and then we'll finally start moving to the upside here. So that's what I'm expecting as far as the next, few hours or so. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we need to get back above this 200 period moving average. It's pretty obvious here. Once we do get above that, again, we still have some work cut out for us before we can go ahead and launch back into the mid 94s to 95 area, and then probably next week looking for that break above 95. But again, take it in stride, one piece at a time. Look at your lower time frames. You have the inverted head and shoulders pattern right here, and look for that pop up to about 94 to 94.15 or so before seeing prices retreat back to 94, and then look for 94 to act as the new support before the next leg higher, or at least the next attempt higher. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm kind of overall trying to forecast out to, the next few weeks or so. But just keeping the general look or outlook, I should say, heading to that 96 level. Uh, Between now and then, it's going to be quite choppy. So just look for the break above 94, consolidation at 94, and then we'll go from there. Probably next Wednesday, maybe, let's say. But we'll have to see how it all plays out and how aggressive this move is. But overall, I'm still leaning near-term bullish. U.S. dollar still have some work to do before we can go ahead and start breaking out above 95. But we'll get there and see how she reacts at around 94.15, 94.18, somewhere in that area there. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation by thetradersperspective.com.